I'm not a lawyer, but let's get into what happened on day 6 of the Diddy trial. Before Dawn Richard was brought back to the stand to continue her direct examination, the defense argued to the judge that some of the testimony is becoming a, quote, bad act free-for-all, meaning the prosecutors are calling witnesses to speak about all of the violent or bad things that Diddy has done over the years, and they're not testifying about specific events that Diddy is actually charged for. The defense highlights that testimony from Dawn Richard, as well as an upcoming witness named David James, who is one of Diddy's assistants, will both be about Diddy allegedly committing assaults, but Diddy's attorneys say that Diddy isn't charged for assault, and even under the RICO charge, assault isn't one of the racketeering activities. In response to this, prosecutors say all of this is relevant to the RICO charge because it shows the method in how Diddy maintained his enterprise, meaning he used violence to keep people in line and doing what he wanted. And they also say that the assault David James is going to testify about was done to a chef who prosecutors say was a victim of forced labor. The judge takes these arguments and then says he will think about it. And from there, Dawn Richard is returned to the stand. If you recall, on Friday, she told the story of a time she went to Diddy's house to record, and while there, she testified to seeing Diddy attack Cassie and drag her upstairs by her hair. So Dawn is back on the stand, and prosecutors are asking her about other times that she witnessed Diddy being violent to Cassie. Dawn says that Diddy would punch, choke, drag, and slap Cassie in her mouth. And when asked why some of these things would happen, Dawn says that sometimes it would be because Cassie was speaking up for herself, it could be random, or other times she didn't even know why it was happening. Dawn says that she's seen Cassie with injuries on her face, arms, and legs, and she, as well as other members of Diddy's staff, saw Diddy's violence toward Cassie, and nobody would ever do anything.